everyone and welcome to MBAP's YouTube channel. Now in this video, I am sharing about an event, the event called I5 Summit, which is organized by IIT and IIM Indore together, which is definitely a very unique form of event which is conducted, and you guys, the aspirants, definitely have a lot of things to learn from this particular event. So understand that in this series of videos, we are going to share a lot of such events and contests which are organized by different IIMs or even different corporates where you guys can participate and build your profile. So definitely guys, make sure that you're watching this video and further more videos that I'm going to share with you in this particular series of videos, which is going to help you a lot towards your profile building. So this is about I5 Summit. And as I said, there are different such events conducted by different IIMs. So the events which I talk about are going to be on different forms. For example, this event, which is the I5 Summit event, is majorly about entrepreneurship, and other such leadership talk, which are going to be done by a lot of different panels, that you see on the screen right now. So you have Mr. Himanshu Rai, who is the director of IIM Indore. He is going to be one of the panels. So I'm going to share all these details in this particular video. Make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you understand that what is there in this event for you guys. So a quick reminder that please do subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also follow us on Instagram, because we have free live lectures coming up, guidance videos coming up on our channel itself. Live lectures come 8 p.m. every day, so you can watch that as well. You have free questions, guidance videos, and daily current affairs coming up on Instagram platform. So make sure that you're following us to get more and more updates. With this, I will directly get onto the website first, so that you can see directly this event on the IIM Indore website. So yes, this is the website that you see on the screen, and this is I5 Summit. So this is the name of the event. You can just pause the video and read through the entire thing. As I said, this is majorly about entrepreneurial spirit, and all about entrepreneurship. So this is a summit organized by IIT and IIM Indore. Is a result of unique feature, of Indore, definitely, because Indore is a city which has got both IIT and IIM. So yes, they together are organizing this. So there are a lot of things here. There are a lot of things here. You can go through this. In fact, you have this coordinator's number here. You can reach out to them, probably on the email IDs or the contact numbers to get more details. If something that I'm not particularly covering in this particular video, you can definitely get in touch with the coordinators for more events, more details. Now, if I go here, they are also promoting it on a townscript.com website, because it's an event promotional website, I think. So you can see the details here. So there are various events. There are events like Get Funded, Speaker Series, Startup Expo, workshops. So for my students, particularly, why I am talking to you, because this is something that you're going to learn a lot. Panel discussions. When you listen to these people, understand this. Last year, these are the people who had come. So when you listen to these people, and Mr. Himanshu Rai, Professor Himanshu Rai was the moderator for the event. So you definitely learn a lot, from these things, and this is going to help you build your skill overall. If you are getting some certificates out here, those certificates are also going to be of great use. You have workshops. So these workshops are going to be a lot of help to you guys, because you guys are right now in the early 20s or mid 20s, and attending these kind of functions, you're going to learn a lot of things, which you definitely will help you in your GDPI, and overall profile building activity. In fact, if you see on Instagram also, I found this. So there is the page of Instagram, where they are putting all these details. So you can see these details from here as well. So I'm going to put all the links, where you can go and register. Those details will be given to you in the description of this video. So make sure that if at all you are interested for it, you can reach out to the coordinators, the number which I just shared on the website here. You can reach out to them for more information. You can reach out to them for more information. And if at all you want to register, please go ahead and register for it. And make sure that you are subscribing to our channel, because as I said, there's going to be a lot of similar kind of events which is going to come, contest which is going to come, and we are going to share all that details with you guys. And definitely you can pick and choose the event that you should be attending, which is going to help you on a long run with regards to your profile building. All the best, and please do share the video with your friends who can be interested in this, and also like the video for more such information from our side. Thank you.